Okay, so we're going to talk about the watermarking. So in watermarking, what happens is watermarking is used to process the late coming data. So in that we can decide whether we want to discard the data or we want to process that data. Okay, so that's what the watermarking is. Okay, watermarking, because it's a threshold of, if it goes above that or if it is below that, okay, then we are safe. If it is good above that, then there we need to take an action. Okay, so this is how the watermarking is, basically the actual meaning of that watermarking is. And I am creating a new data here. Let me check if I am going to use the same data, okay, with the watermarking. So let me add the watermarking in my previous data. Okay, so let me copy the whole data together. Okay, and I'm stopping this now. Okay, let me copy this and let me add the watermarking, okay, of 10 minutes. So it will going to process the late data of 10 minutes, okay, from the previous timestamp, from the latest timestamp, sorry. So watermarking is added in the mobile SDF, okay, after reading the JSON file. After reading the JSON file, it has added the watermark of 10 minutes. Okay, so 10 minutes of watermarking has been added from the latest timestamp. Let me run that. Before running, I need to clean up the data. Okay, yeah, okay, so let me run that again with watermarking of 10 minutes. Okay, so let me remove these files again, and if I put three datas all together, okay, three files all together of 15, 22 and 33, so it will going to process in the same way. Okay, in the same way with the maximum timestamp. And let me remove the sliding window as of now. Okay, let me remove all the files altogether. And okay, sliding windows, okay, I have removed. Now there is no sliding window. I'll going to show you the example of the sliding window, okay, in the next video. Okay, but as of now I am just closing this window. Okay, so it's running, and let me add the three files together, again. So let's see what will going to happen. Okay, let's wait for a few minutes. It has processed only one file. Let's wait for all the files to be processed. Okay, so see, there is no difference, right? Because we have not encountered the late data. Okay, so 15 has one window, okay, 22 and 33. Let's say the maximum timestamp is 33, okay, latest timestamp, and the watermark window is 10 minutes. So 33 minus 10 will be 23. Okay, so if I put the data which is 1011, okay, which is very less than 33 minus 10. Okay, so I'm let me write it there. Okay, because it's a complete mode, it can process the data. So let me remove the complete to update. Okay, otherwise you won't be able to see the difference. So complete will going to show the entire everything. Okay, okay, so complete will update, right? So let me put the whole files again. Okay, yeah, and wait for few seconds, because complete will going to show the same data again. Okay, so you won't find a difference, it won't discard the late coming data. So update will going to trigger when there is an action, okay, or when there is a change. So let's for the other batch so that it can process the whole data all together without any difference. Okay, so now you can see it has processed data in a batch. Okay, so batch 2 is, so latest timestamp is 33, it's saying. Okay, so let me put the 1011 data. Okay, so latest timestamp is 10:33. Okay, and watermark is 10 minutes. So okay, it's 10 minutes. So 10:33 minus 10 minutes would be 10:23, correct? So this is the line of 10:23, and below 10:23 it should not process the late coming data. So I am adding 10:11, okay, data as input. So let's see what will going to happen. Let me add that. Okay, so let's see if it process that data or not. Yeah, as you can see, it has not processed that data. Okay, because the timestamp was 10:23. Let me put the 10:25, okay, as the 10:25 or 10:27, okay, above the watermark. Let's see if it processes or not. 10:29. Okay, so I'm putting the 10:29 data above the watermark. Let's see if it processes or not. See, it processed it. Okay, 10:29 it has processed. That's all for this video. Okay, I hope you understand the watermarking. So let's meet in some other concepts. Okay, yeah, thank you.